like I said, I'm a little bit new to all this YouTube vlogging sort of stuff, so I'm sorry if it's not the best content. I am using my phone right now at the moment to film everything because I had to sell my camera and I still don't have my GoPro. So I'm on a budget, guys. I'm on a budget. So I'm going to do the best I can with this phone, share this content with you. Alright? What is up, guys? This is Rip Coast here filming. I'm going to do a little bit of fishing here on a pond close to my house. This is about the third time I come here, and every time I come here I seem to catch some largemouth, smallmouth, and black crappie. So we're going to give this this little pond here a little bit of a try. I got my rods ready. Got my little tackle box, my 3 rods. Get the show on the road. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the pond. It's right off the street. So I'm gonna give this place a shot. I've always been fishing on the other side of this pond, never this side, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, there we go. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh man, he was right there, right underneath these weeds. Buddy, thank you for biting. I was literally freaking out. Oh yeah, guys. It's a good little fish. I'll take it. I'm here for like an hour. I love bass fishing. Let's get this guy back in. Don't tell your buddies, okay? That was sick, guys. He just nailed it. Alright, there's our first little bass. Not bad. Caught it on a crankbait. What's up, guys? So I had a pretty good day. I caught like four bass today. Didn't catch the ones I really wanted to catch. They weren't biting. So not bad. I enjoyed my day. It is 11:46 right now. I am going home to relax and clean and do a whole bunch of video editing. I hope you guys liked the fishing videos. I will be posting more. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Put a like on that like button. And eventually I'll get better gear and start filming properly, doing B-roll and all that stuff, you know. Alright guys. Fish on. Keep going.